Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on your LG G6. Lock screen password, the first thing you should try is to, try to remember it, because there is unfortunately no simple way to recover it. The first thing you may want to try is, of course, contacting LG support to possibly discuss recovering your phone somehow, but that might prove to be difficult or impossible. You could also try visiting an authorized service center with proof of ownership, but it's also unlikely that they're going to be able to help you. So if you can't remember your password for whatever reason, just whatever you try does not work, you're gonna have to enter recovery mode. To do so, press and hold the power button, then power off and restart, and then press and hold the volume down and power button. And once the logo shows up, release and press down again on the power button. I accidentally released the volume down button too, so that might be an issue this time. Yes, it is going to be an issue. The button can be a bit hard to hold on to, depending on the angle you hold it at. And it might take a few tries. But just once the logo shows up, briefly release the power button and then press back on it immediately while holding the volume down button. Then you'll get into that factory data reset. Unfortunately, that is pretty much the only thing you can do when it comes to losing your password, performing a factory reset. And now you will need to remember the account you had on the phone, because if you also forgot what account you had as the main one on the phone, or forgot the password to it, then you will not be able to use the phone afterwards. Especially, it might depend on the settings, but it's highly likely that you won't be able to. Use the volume buttons to scroll through the options, and then use the power button to confirm. You're going to have to confirm yes twice, and now it's going to start erasing everything on your phone. It might take a while. After your phone turns back on, you'll have to go through the setup process. You'll have to choose your language by this option. Then just simply go through it as you would with normal setup. But when compared to the first setup you had of the phone, you might have to be forced to use Wi-Fi or a mobile network from your card, and you'll have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. After connecting, you will have to continue on. Let's say we start up as new. Then it's going to again take a while. Then after waiting, it's going to ask you to verify your account, where you'll have to use the account you had on the device previously. Then after clicking through and logging in, it'll ask you if you want to add the account back to the device. Let's say we do. If we say we don't, then we'll have to add a new account. And just continue on as normal. Which, depending on how it goes, you can set up fingerprints or skip it. Let's skip it for now. Then you have to agree to the EULA and choose whichever other optional things you want to agree to. Let's just continue on. And now your device will be recovered. You can continue using it. Install the apps you previously had. You can set your lock screen again, this time with something that you'll remember. In settings, general, fingerprints and security, and in here choosing, you can go into fingerprints to select a normal screen lock, let's say a pattern. You can choose secure startup, which will require your pattern to be used whenever anyone tries to reset or start up your phone. Let's turn it on. Then you have to create a pattern. Just continue on. You can choose the lock screen notification settings and then your fingerprint. I'm going to show you if there's another option for adding a lock screen without a fingerprint. Well, alternatively, you can also do it in display, lock screen, and here in screen lock. You can just select your desired screen lock. Let's say instead of a pattern we want a pin. And the same secure startup question, and then just continue through. Now, whenever you want to start up your phone, you can use your, you can put in your PIN. Though this, changing it like this might end up turning off your fingerprints, so just go back there. Check if the fingerprint works. It does. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.